Managing money can be tricky. Questions like how much should I save or what's a good investment options for me can feel overwhelming. That's why we built PocketPal to make financial advice simple, personalized, and easy to access.
This is PocketPal in action. It's a Power AI and was built using BotPress, a no-code chatbot platform. This means we didn't have to write a single code, and we focused our designing on meaningful interactions and response instead. With PocketPal, you can ask questions in plain language. It will provide a clear and actionable advices.
For example, if you ask, how can I save 5,000 a month? PocketPal will guide you by suggesting how to track your expenses, identify unnecessary spending, and set realistic saving goals. It's like having a financial expert in your pocket.
Now, let's talk about how we built it. We used BotPress, a no-code platform that made development fast and efficient. Instead of writing thousands of codes, we used a drag and drop interface to design our PocketPal.
I am Chaitanya Goyal, the data expert. I decided upon the data required, type of data for the training of model, collecting the data, and ensuring that the data is authentic.
I am Suji Shripal, the information researcher. I collected the question from the end users which need to answer, looked for answering for those questions, and then prepared a report which I passed to the team.
I am Ranveer Singh Tekam, the designer of this project. I made the design and the flow of how to go about making the solution.
I am Harjot Singh, the prototype builder. I worked to build the model, trained it, followed by testing the efficiency and accuracy of model, and then went on to deploy it. One of PocketPal's best features is how it personalizes advice. For example, if you ask, what's a safe investment? It will consider your comfort with risk and suggest options that match your preferences. The more you interact with PocketPal, the better it understands your needs.
Here's another example. A student asks PocketPal how to save for laptop. PocketPal might recommend tracking daily expense, cutting unnecessary cost, and setting aside a fixed amount every month. It's practical advice anyone can follow.
Building PocketPal wasn't without its challenge. One of the hardest part was ensuring that the advice it gives was accurate and easy to follow. We spent a lot of time testing and refining its responses to make sure it really helps.
Another challenge was making the interface simple and user-friendly. We wanted PocketPal to feel approachable and easy to use for everyone, no matter their level of financial knowledge.
PocketPal is versatile. It works for students, professionals, and even retirees. Let's say you are a working professional planning your monthly budget. PocketPal can help you allocate money for essentials, savings, and investments, ensuring that you stay on track financially. It's like having a personal finance assistant that's available 24/7. Whether you are saving for a big goal or just trying to manage day-to-day expenses, PocketPal has got you covered.
In summary, PocketPal is more than just a chatbot. It's a financial assistant designed to empower you to make smarter money decisions. Built on BotPress, it's reliable, user-friendly, and constantly learning to serve you better. We are proud of what we created and grateful for the chance to share it with you. Thank you for watching, and we'd love to answer any questions about PocketPal.